Leave Metal Pop Century 20902. Let's do this thing. Random subject. Good luck. Yeah, all rookie ship. There aren't many breaks worth buying the base on. 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, it will break tonight. Snooky on top, all the way down to Alec Baldwin. That's 5 times. Absolutely will. Here we go. Oh. Yeah, who is Bailey Brown? That's a fake name. Superhero R name. Good luck. Okay. Up first, Chuck Zito. Now listen, I have no idea who Chuck Zito is. Chuck Zito, former president of the New York chapter of the Hells Angels. There you go. Yeah, but what was he in? Why are you talking about American Breakers? And why are you referring to yourself in the third person? That's weird. Zito. Chuck Zito is 158. 158. Samuel Williams. Up next, Penelope Ann Miller. Another one, no idea. Penelope Ann Miller is Kindergarten Cop. Carlito's Way? I don't know her. Generally no idea. 221. 221 is Samuel Williams. Wow, taking this. Up next, Vinyl Signs of Quavo from the Migos. The good type of Migos. Quavo, 141. 141 is David Hull. Then finally, scripted, Henry Thomas from E.T. Henry Thomas is 180. 180 is Adam Romano. And that is LMPC 20902.